welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, do like and share. So in this session we will start ORGATE guys by using Cellpro PLC, means Select PLC. Select is the company name and Cellpro is the version of the PLC. Cellpro version is 5.3.7. Now go to file and here click on new, because why I am clicking on new means if you are created the object then you can go for open, and I am clicking on new because I want to show the new project, that's why I am clicking on new. You can take any, here we have the model number on different brands of models. I mean only one brand, that is Select PLC name, but there is a versions and there is a types of model number. So according to hardware model we have to choose the model number and then we have to communicate it, but in simulation no need to choose that particular model number. Okay, so we can take any one. So I am taking MM10101 or MM10102. So I am taking MM10102. Here you have to write your project name, means any title you are giving, home automation or today I am designing ORGATE, so I will write ORGATE. Now go for next, yes, and go for finish. No need to change anything. Already I described these all things. This is acting as a wire and this is horizontal, and this is horizontal wire, this is vertical wire. NO, NC, positive triggering, negative triggering, and open coil, this one, set, reset, jumper. Okay, so these are the jumper. Now we are going to design ORGATE, means in ORGATE we need two switches that is connected in parallel. Why? Because the concept of ORGATE is if anyone is on the switch then output should be get on. So my concept is we have two switch and one output. Okay, so if I am owning the switch, what happened? Lamp will on. Again one more switch, I am connecting in parallel. Okay, so see, I connected two switches with one lamp. So you can take this switch DI0 and DI1, two switches. DI means digital input, all inputs acting as a switch or sensor. Okay, higher D0 means digital output, it acting as a lamp or motor or any visuality product. Okay, so this is our normal circuit, means we taken two switches, one lamp. If you are pressing switch 1 then your lamp will glow, if you are pressing switch 2 then also your lamp will glow. So 0 in 0 condition your lamp is 0, in 1 condition your lamp is 1, 1 condition your lamp is 1, 1 condition your lamp is 1. So anyway it is getting on. Okay, now go for simulation, run offline. Here simulation is getting on, it is compiling. If it is wrong then it will not show this one. Okay, if it is correct then only it will get compiled. See, if I am enable, red color shows that it's in off condition. So if I am enable the switch S1 then your lamp is getting on, and you have to keep the S1 switch in same initial position and you have to press the S2 switch, it is getting on. In 2 condition means if you are taking in 0 condition, 0 condition means this is ideal condition. In a default condition your load is off only. If you are 0 1, if you are enable the switch 2 then your lamp is getting on. And we have to disable, because we have to check this switch is working or not. If I am enable the switch 1 then our lamp is getting on. If we are enable both switch, what happened? It will get on. Okay, so this is the concept of ORGATE guys. Now we go for the stop simulation. Go to simulation and stop. Now if we want to do this program by using relay or memory, then we have to take ORGATE, means two switch, and I will take this is as a relay, and I will take one more switch, and this you can change name also. Input means I will keep input 1 as a DI1 as a start and DI2 as a stop, and this thing as a relay and our output. So when relay is activate, my load should get on. That is my concept by using ORGATE. So see here I taken two switches. I will click here and I will write here that is start. Or else you can do one thing, you can just choose any inputs, means di2 we didn't given, di2, and click here, double click di2, you can rename as di2, you can rename as start switch 1, start 1. Okay, in the variable name you can write start 1, means switch on, or else we can write switch 1, switch 1. Okay, now for this one switch 2, so no need to do double click, first you select the input name and di3 I will take, and again I will rename it. So di3 acting as a switch 2. This is why, because if you are connecting the hardware circuit, the di1 di2 is very mandatory guys, that's why we are keeping in. See, address must be important, it should be in ix only, means percentile ix is the address of this input. Okay, so for any input it will like ix only input. Okay, now this is acting as a relay, so for relay I will double click here, and in here it is acting as a memory, means in real time we are taking the relay, but in PLC diagram we are taking the memory. Okay, so I will type here relay coil. Okay, this is acting as a relay coil. If relay coil is activated, relay has common and NO, so this is we have to select relay, then only it will get on. If I am selecting anything, it will not get on guys, that's why we have to select the same thing only. Now I will select different output, so you can take any output, or else you can click, just double click and write here lamp, just click on OK. Now go for simulation, run offline. Simulation is happening. The same concept guys, here we taken only 2 switch and 1 output. Here you can take 2 switch with contactor or your motor or relay or your motor or your any load I connected lamp. Okay, so when S1 will press, your lamp getting on. Okay, and you have to keep in initial position. When switch to you are enabling, then your lamp is getting on. So in any condition you are pressing the switch, your lamp is getting on. So this is the concept of OR gate guys. And go for simulation and stop, or else you can click here to get stop. Okay, so thank you guys, hope you understand this logic. It is quite simple, very simple to understand, and it's like a paper diagram only, but when you are dumping in real-time PLC, you have to draw same thing and you have to dump it, you will get definitely. Okay guys, hope you understand. If you like the video, please do comment, like and share. Thank you.